So in this video, we'll see how we can create discount codes in Shopify. Like you want to create some discount code that you want to give your customer when he purchase something from your website. To create discount code, what you need to go on discounts. Here in discount, you need to create discount. Now, what type of discount you want? Here are multiple discounts. These four basic discount you will get. These are some additional plugin discount that you will not get as of now, like you want amount of order discount. Now there is a discount code you can generate here. Generate random discount code. You can add like dish 30, something like that. You can add whatever, and there is another option of giving discount without creating discount code. It's like automatic discount. It will give discount to user without discount code by based on some condition. Like you said, like if someone purchase above 199, give 10% discount. You can create auto discount and set condition that minimum requirement is 199. But to create discount code, here you can see generate discount code, and what this will do, this will give 20% discount. It is for all customer or a specific customer segment or a specific customer that you want to select. You can select as per your need whatever you want. These are some eligibility criteria. Now minimum condition, yes, I want to give minimum condition of 199, then only the discount will work. Otherwise it will not work. Now you also want to limit number of times the discount can be used. If you want to limit, you can limit to one use per customer. Yeah, that's why I want. Only one customer can use this discount for only one time. Then combination. Product discount, it will be combined with other product discount, order discount, or shipping discount. If you want it, then check this box. Otherwise leave it, because we want to just keep this only discount. Also you can set discount start or end then as per your need if you want. As of now I'm setting the current time and date, so nothing much more. This is my coupon code. I will just copy. Now, you have created discount, but how user will know like you have discount running? There are multiple options to show discount code to your user. First will be show on top here, get 10% discount on prepaid, then you can add coupon code. Second, you can add here in product. In product here, we get 10% discount and add that coupon code that we have created, discount code or coupon code. I have created a specific video how we can add text here. I will add link in description so you can watch and see how we can add the link here. Okay. Now after that, I will click on add to cart. Here, view my cart. Nothing for here. Go on, check out. But when you see I have made a condition 199, when I try to apply this discount, it will not work. Item in the cart. I will increase the quantity. Now here you see I'm able to apply my discount. So by doing that, you can give customer create discount code or coupon code, and then give your customer discount. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.